y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bree, as you see by the title in today's video.
That is awful.
Why?
Why did you tell me so fast?
Okay, let me start over. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bree, and as you see by the title in today's video. That's not better. Y'all, y'all know everybody can't do it the same, right? So I don't know. We gonna taste it. Let's drink it first. I mean, dang, I can barely drink it. I'm gonna mix it up. Ooh, can't get copyright. Let's go, because we have a client at 1 o'clock. My first client at 1 o'clock. Second client at 5:30. So yeah, I got a whole break in between. But I gotta make some more aftercare bags. And what else I gotta do? It's oh let's see. What's today's week? Is the week of the 18th? Today the 18th or the 19th? Huh? Excuse me?
What?
Is today the 18th or the 19th?
The 18th.
Okay, the week of the 18th. I mean, the week of the 19th. I'm gonna wait till the shop or whatever. I'll get back with y'all when I get there, because y'all just sliding all over the place right now.
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. When I see you, I scribble X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. In the zone, you're nervous when you go. I say I'm not home. I see your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the #1 topic on the phone. I wonder if you know.
Alright, y'all, so I'm done with my first client. I couldn't talk to y'all when I got in here because I was she was already here. She just came a little bit earlier than her appointment time, and I was kind of trying to hurry up to, like, you know, disinfect all that. Y'all saw what I did or whatever the case is. But my next client at 5:30, so I'm about to leave and then I'm gonna just come back because it's 2:53 right now. My first, y'all already know. I do want to go get me some food because I'm hungry, y'all. I had that Starbucks, but that wasn't enough food. Like, I'm hungry. Okay, yeah, I mean, they're so cute. This is how they look. Super cute, y'all. Now I want to take my nails up, and I want some long nails then. Yeah, I'm about to pack the short order up and just let y'all watch me do that. But this is what I use. I use these little bags, and I go ahead and slide it in there. Close it up. See, looks like that. Now, and then here's her little baggie. So inside her bag comes with my old business card, some nail glue, buffer, file, pusher, and I'm about to actually make some nail scrub. And I'm just give her this because she is a loyal customer. Like, she always order press-ons from me. And yeah, I just want to show my appreciation. So yeah, I need to clean my mirror too, so we're gonna do that as well. I don't know if y'all can tell, but y'all probably can't really see. Y'all see little spots right there and stuff. I gotta make a few more for my next client. It's coming. But yeah, I saw somebody do this, but they was using this as a like when they do pedicures and stuff to put their scrub in, which I just found that very creative, and I just decided to use it as aftercare bags, put it in my aftercare bags. So yeah. All right, so now I'm going to put this in and put her nails in and take this off. And then, there you go. I'm about to use this window cleaner. I'm gonna catch y'all when I get in the car or in a second. Alright, y'all, so I'm back in the suite or whatever, and what I'm about to do now is I'm gonna actually put y'all over here. I'm about to go ahead and get started with my client. I got this so I can record this video or whatever. So we're gonna see how it looks. Everything. Which way I should do it, but then again, I don't have no black acrylic, so that's another thing. That's another problem. Don't have it together. Put it together. So this is the end of the video. I'm at work right now. No. But I was gonna add to this video, but I was just like, let me just leave it how it is. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. Make sure you follow me on all my social medias. Let me slow down because I'm gonna be like, oh, I be talking too fast. Make sure you follow me on all my social medias. And we about to turn up on TikTok, okay? We about to turn up on TikTok because we gotta turn it up. You know, we gotta turn it up a notch. I feel like TikTok is so much faster paced than any other app. Like, you get the views faster. So I want to try to build my TikTok up, and then, you know, people from TikTok can come to my YouTube and stuff like that. So just spread it all around or whatever the case is. But make sure y'all follow me on my TikTok so y'all can be notified every time I drop a video, and hit the bell on here so y'all know every time I drop a video. And if you haven't watched my last 2 vlogs, well, videos, one is a vlog, one is a video, go watch it right now. I'm gonna pop it up on the screen. These are my recent videos, and if you haven't went to go watch it, make sure you go watch it. We trying to work on getting monetized, okay? I'm almost there. Like, let me show y'all where I'm at. I'm almost there. I'm close, like really close to getting monetized, y'all. I'm at 2,355 watch hours. So I need y'all to understand how these watch hours work. Like, watch hours work, you have to watch the video all the way through. So even if you got the video playing on your TV, watch it all the way through. Let it play, okay? That is the only way that is going to help me get to my goal, and I'm trying to reach my goal before this year's over with. So we already reached one goal, which was getting, you know, to 1,000 subscribers. So now we gotta reach another goal, and yeah, I'm about to turn up though, and I'm about to come with the content with y'all for y'all, because I really appreciate y'all. Y'all really be, you know, watching my stuff, and I try to make it interesting, you know. No, I don't like to post like boring stuff or whatever, but let me stop talking because it's done been 4 minutes and I'm talking too much. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, and just make sure you follow me on everything and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. And when you watch my videos, watch it all the way through. I'm not playing, period. But yeah, I got some videos coming up, y'all. I did my mama nails. Y'all go see that video, okay? After I finish this video, I'm gonna go ahead and start editing that video, so y'all see that video after this one. So yeah, y'all, that is it for today, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. And make sure you share this video with a brother, sister, cousin, auntie, everybody. Yeah. Bye.